All right, friends, I can't stress to y'all enough how important it is to get out there and get your name out there and network. Let your community know who you are and what it is that you do, because it can really help you in the long run of getting your product out to selling them to friends, family, and helping you out in your business or in your hobby. Okay, whether you're a wood turner, a woodworker, a craftsman, or D, all of the above, networking and getting your name out there can really help y'all. All right, case in point being wood. Okay, wood can be expensive. Wood, the price of your wood and what you pay for it and how you get it can affect your bottom line. It can affect how much or whether you can give your product away or how much you can sell it for. So I know a lot of this isn't the best looking wood around, all right? But it was free. And, you know, with my broken back and everything, they even helped load it up. I didn't have to do any of the heavy lifting. But what happened was a girl that I do craft shows with, she's a fellow vendor, remembered what it is and what I do, and they had a tree come down. And so she contacted me on Facebook and said, hey, we got a tree coming down. You want some wood? And I was like, sure, why not? And I went over, grabbed my son. They just live a couple of blocks away. They even loaded it up for me. I didn't really have to do any work. So it's not the best wood, right? They got it to it with a splitter first. A lot of it's ragged, but I can make a lot of this work, okay? Like this piece here, that's a nice bowl. And this is, the sapwood is gonna be nice figured. It doesn't look like a lot translated into the heartwood, but the sapwood looks really sharp. All right, so real quick, here's a preview of probably next week's video. This is that blank right there, and this is what I was able to do with it. Even though it was rough around the edges, had been run through a splitter, and was pretty ugly. Okay, this tree had ant damage, and that's why they took it down. But you cut this off here, and then you've got this whole live edge area that you could work with, or you can make spindle blanks out of the piece. This one here, you knock off right there where that pith is, and then you've got another, Raffin does a lot of those style bowls. You can do a live edge, and it makes like a cone shape. Or again, that could be a nice, when they're wedges like that, it lets you make nice hollow forms and ingrain turnings. So, you know, like I said, they don't know what they're doing, and they just kind of just threw it up in my truck, and I took it anyways. But we can maybe get a piece out of that. There's going to be a lot of figure right in there, a lot of compressed figure in like a crotch. See, you got a pith here, and then the main pith would have been up over here. But you've got that whole feathered area that I can still get a bowl out of. I know how to make it work. And then some more stuff back in there. Get your name out there. Make sure your community knows what it is that you do. And it can help you in many dividends. You know, word of mouth, they'll spread it around. They'll be like, oh, this guy does fantastic work. You should check it out. You know, go check out his Facebook page. Go check out his Instagram, whatever. It's the day and the time of information. You know, use Facebook, use Instagram, use TikTok, use Facebook Marketplace. There's so many things out there at our fingertips that we can do with just our phones to get our product out to the people who want it. So, thanks for checking it out, friends.